How to get more tokens on Monopoly Go. So all you have to do is to launch your Monopoly Go application and make sure that this one is the latest version of this application. Now what you're going to do is to simply click albums. Now I can't click this one because I haven't reached this level, so I need to unlock this one first. But if you already unlock this album, then you must know that completing a whole sticker album is one way to get additional tokens. To do this, you must finish all of the sticker sets in the album before the sticker timer expires. You will get a significant reward after finishing a sticker album, which will include money, dice rolls, and most importantly, a fresh token. Another thing is that you go to your friends, okay, tap this one, and if you tap this invite friends, you can see there invite friends and get rewards. So you can see there that your reward, of course, is token and depends on how many friends have invited. Okay, so first, completing album seekers, and second is invite friends. So another thing is that you can invite them via Facebook. You can invite them by just copying the link and then send it to any of your social media accounts. Okay, so I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.